that can't work. Go on with it, go on with it. To us, yeah. So we are gonna leave it up. Blessings and a even no grace. Horizon. We have to give thanks like we're really supposed to be thankful.
TT.
Wagwan, oh,
I love that, my G. I love it, I love it, I love
I just
it.
saw me at work on stills, I don't know.
I love it, man. But guess what now?
Yeah.
A big thing just about to my G. But you know the shucks go already, you know. We have to remain humble, you see it? Because we want to rise and boast.
Speaking of rice and boast, so we give them a piece of the toast in our own language, brother.
But we show them a language now.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, but go on with it.
Yo, is it? Are you kidding me?
To us, yeah. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends that take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and we bored. Then only said the road and me go on with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing. And you know it formed out to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic say I sing. Yeah, see me all diggy soon get the higher ring. Like hello brother, you say I had to shot ya. Saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot, you can't ball in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall them right.
Alright, very entertaining. MT dancers. Hey, big up on yourself, entertaining Jamaica and the world right now. May I tell you, 100% talent, Jamaica. Hey, this is what's going on. See the dancer them, they are entertaining, you know. So to make sure to keep the votes coming in, alright? Make sure you look for the favorite contestants and put in the vote for them. Alright, MT dancers, our general. Hey, let us start with you.
Yeah, big up MT dancers. Very entertaining. Love the routine. Love everything. Go on. You see me, I love the intro on the start it out. You know what I mean? Writing the song and forward on. Yeah, very entertaining. But yo, boss, the choreography should have been a bit more tighter. I think at most of the points, certain people, one I move faster than one I move slower than one. In a most of the choreography, you see me? And I just that are the problem to me. It should have been just a bit more tighter. You boss, yeah, so with that said, a 7, same way.
Alright, thank you for that, our general. Yes, Nero Balisha. Are they keeping you entertaining over there? Nero.
Alright, so for me, still, I like the whole dramatic characteristics about what them just do a while ago, you see me? I think it is creative, you understand? But same thing like Ara said, it was obvious. It was obvious, you know? So with that said, we give them an 8. Same way, because we want to see them back in the competition again. Yeah, so I'm going to give them an 8 for that. I would say that spend some more times doing dancing together so they can be more simultaneously, isn't it? Yeah.
Alright, thank you, Nero Malisha. Yes, bros. Are they keeping you entertaining over there?
Like I gave a 9 first before me coming, right? So we have a 9 then. We're going up on the energy. Look like we need a bigger stage. You understand? And we have to welcome Tajin to the competition. Long time you wait for your dance partner, you know? So the 9 there for the encouragement to further yourself in a show. But just tighten up on the synchronization right there, so and we're good to go.
Alright, out there in Jamaica and the world, if you think them doing good and entertain you all, remember to put in the vote. MT dancers. Alright, 100% talent Jamaica. Moving on.